Good morning mga kailok. Gaugtas na ba ang tanan? Okay. Morning my love. So sweet. I love you. Okay? Okay mga amiga. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's talk about self-respect. Children's respect or because mo nakipang comment sa ako mga basher. Okay? Mo nakipang comment nila nga respect yourself first before ka irespeto sa ibang tao. Respect your children. Okay. My freedom in my Facebook page has nothing to do with my respect to myself and respect